In this video, I will show you how to use custom shape masking in ImagR, so your engraving follows any outline you want, not just a boring rectangle. First, head to Toolset in the main menu and search for Crop in the search field. Click on the feature, and once it has opened, upload your image. After uploading, select Custom Shape under Crop mode. Here you now have the option to upload a black mask of your choice. If you do not have a mask ready, just search for black silhouette on Google. There are thousands to choose from. The mask does not need to be transparent either. A white background works just fine. In my case, I have chosen this abstract frame. You can now scale and position the mask exactly where you need it. Once you are happy with the result, click Apply and the image gets cropped into the desired shape. Download the result directly. Now click on ImagR in the top menu to prepare the image for engraving. Select one-click mode and upload the cropped image we just created. I want to engrave this on birch plywood, so I select Wood under Materials. I set my desired height, and the width calculates automatically to keep the right proportions. For my 80-watt CO2 laser with a compound lens, I need 318 dpi. Click Prepare Image and ImagR handles everything automatically in just a few seconds. And here is our finished result. Great detail, no areas that are too dark, fully automatic in seconds. I download this image as a PNG. Since I want to cut the image out in the custom shape, I head back to Toolset in the main menu and select the Contour feature. I upload the processed image here. The Contour feature automatically detects the outline of the image and creates a clean SVG path around it. I personally like to increase the simplify value to smooth the contour a little more and make sure there are no sharp corners or points. Now I click Download SVG and import both the SVG and the processed image into my laser software. For my 80-watt CO2 laser with compound lens, I am using 120 millimeters per second, 15% maximum power, and 1% minimum power. And very importantly, make sure Passthrough is enabled. If it is not, lightburn will reprocess the image and change the work we have already done, which leads to worse results. That is all there is to it. Let us start the engraving. Within just a few seconds, you can already see the different brown tones coming through, extremely sharp details without any overburning, and no areas that are too light or too dark, all in the custom shape we defined earlier. At the end, I use a soft brush to remove any dust or residue in the engraving process. And here is our perfect wooden piece. So, if you want to give your engravings that special touch and move away from the usual rectangular cutouts, try the custom shape mode today at imag-r.com. Completely free, no account needed.